Okay, so these are some work ethics that are important for being a good student and for being a good employee. So first of all, attendance is really important when you're coming to uh, a math class, especially. You want to get your questions answered, listen to the lecture, interact with the instructor and other students. Um, it's important to be on time, not leave early, participate in the activities, be involved in lab activities, using your work time appropriately, and notifying the instructor if you know that you are going to be absent. So that's what's related to attendance. Next, we have character. And of course, we know that cheating is not okay. You want to have a high degree of academic integrity. You also want to have good cooperation, team spirit, a can-do attitude that you really can, you're going to try even if you don't know how. And so encouraging the group to have that good attitude and just having good teamwork on group projects. And of course, sometimes that means picking up the slack, but it's more than that. It's encouraging other people to do their part and just being excited and working together well. Okay, appearance isn't quite as important on an online class. Of course, when your camera is on, you want to be neat, presentable, and in the workplace, you want to wear clothing suitable to the job, whether it's a uniform that you're requested to wear or just business casual or whatever is appropriate for the situation. Okay, attitude is about being willing to try, even if something is hard, and accepting constructive criticism, setting realistic expectations, but sometimes setting that bar high and really going for it. So attitude is probably half of the battle in a math class, is not remembering math anxiety or things like that, but giving it a fresh chance that even if you've had trouble in the past, you're going to try and put your best foot forward. All right, next is productivity, making up any makeup work that you need to do, staying on task, using your time wisely. So coming to the remote classes when you can would be a great way of using that time wisely. Okay, also observing safety precautions if you're in a work situation where there might be safety hazards. All right, organization is important in terms of prioritizing your time, looking at your calendar, being flexible if you need to adapt to changes. Next is communication, communicating accurate information, especially on the discussion board, that you're respectful of others' ideas. Listening attentively to others is a big part of communication. Next is cooperation. You're willing to assist others, resolve conflicts appropriately, and think of possible solutions, demonstrating concern for and treating people fairly and equitably, and following the chain of command. So if there's any issue, for example, if you got a problem wrong on any of your exams, the first thing to do would be to notify me right away so that I can take care of that. It would not be appropriate to go to the dean first because I've said over and over, I'll give you that point back. So following that chain of command is the appropriate thing to do. And that goes along with respect as well, treating instructors, staff, and fellow students with respect, courtesy, and tact, and not engaging in harassment of any kind. So what I'm wondering, Marty.
Not cheating.
Okay. Yes, honesty and